What stands out for me with Cooper is the fact that he's such an honest and caring person.
I wanted to create, say, a product that I could sell to people, but also that would benefit them.
Tessa Dooms is a social activist and a person who actually believes in social justice.
Tessa is one of the most passionate person and a very humble person who's dedicated towards seeing people changing their life.
I've set out to myself that in the next 20 years I'm going to change this country, and in the next 20 years this country is going to be the impetus to change the world.
Kuleli sonto ku-Amaqhawe sihlangana noSomabhizinisi kuphakama ngubani owasungula isiPhuzo sakhe esinomuSoco. Siphinde sibone umshoshovi wombusazwe uTessa Dooms ungaphuthelwa. Amaqhawe our heroes ngo-5 ntambama Kulo-Mgibelo kuZee Zonke sisonke DSTV channel 169.